Eating healthy doesn't have to break the bank. Today, I'll share some easy tips to help you stay on budget while fueling your body with nutritious meals. First tip, always make a grocery list before shopping. Plan your meals for the week, focus on whole foods like fruits, veggies, grains and protein, and stick to your list to avoid impulse buys. Tip 2. Buy in bulk. Staples like rice, beans, oats and lentils are budget-friendly, packed with nutrients and can be used in a variety of meals. Tip 3. Don't skip the frozen aisle. Frozen fruits and veggies are just as nutritious as fresh, last longer and often cost less. Perfect for smoothies, soups and stir-fries. Tip 4. Meal prep is a game-changer. Cook large batches of food and portion them out for the week. This not only saves you time, but also keeps you from spending on expensive takeout. Tip 5. Shop locally. Farmers markets often have fresh produce at lower prices. Plus, you're supporting local farmers while eating fresh. Eating healthy on a budget is totally doable with a little planning and smart shopping. Your body and wallet will thank you. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more budget-friendly and healthy living tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Stay healthy, stay happy, and stay on budget.